So I suppose you already know that this video is about Warren Buffett, right? I mean, there are not that many $100 billion fortunes in the world today. Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pradeep and you're watching Vlog of Note. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 uncommon lessons that you can learn from Warren Buffett. Let's get started. So first of all, I should tell you Warren Buffett is a legendary investor. There are so many stories about him. I'd like to begin this video with a story about how he got control of Berkshire Hathaway, his corporate extension. He did not start Berkshire Hathaway. It was a textile company which was started in the 1830s in the US. He took control of this company in 1964. Initially, the CEO of the company had offered to buy out Warren Buffett at a price of $11.50. However, when the offer finally came through, it was for $11.37. Warren Buffett got so angry that he bought the company and fired the CEO. Anyway, if you had invested in this company at that time with $1,000, then in 2018, you would have made 2.4 million% and your money would have turned into over $26 million. Not bad for a financial investment. Now, there are 3 things that I think you can learn from Warren Buffett. The first thing is that you should buy the business, not the stock ticker symbol. Now, the business is what is underlying the stock ticker symbol. A lot of people are obsessed with share prices. Share prices go up, share prices go down, share prices open in the red and end in the green. They also go up 1% and they go down 2%. However, there is an underlying business. This can be clearly understood when Warren Buffett bought the Washington Post in 1973. He paid $11 million for it, and about 40 years later, when he exited the business for $1.1 billion, in the previous year alone, he had received $17 million in dividend payment. Not a bad financial investment, don't you agree? However, there is also the underlying reason as to why he bought the Post in the first place. He says that each of the sub-businesses under the Post were individually worth more than $100 million and the Post itself was trading for $100 million. So therefore, according to him, if any of the financial institutions were aware of the businesses underneath and were not obsessed with the stock ticker symbol, they would have swum across shark-infested waters. The second lesson that you can learn from Warren Buffett is the 20-slot rule. Basically, this is from a talk that he gave at the University of South California, in which he said, first of all, that you should start investing early and you should have a punch card. Every investment that you make should be 1 slot off from that punch card. If you do this, you will value each investment that you make and you will do a lot of due diligence. For example, every time I make an investment, I make a video about it. Anyway, any new investment needs to be measured against your previous investments, and if you don't think it's worth it, then don't do it. For example, in 2008, when the market crashed, Warren Buffett took advantage and bought a lot of companies. However, in 2020, when the market crashed again, he bought more of Berkshire Hathaway stock, thereby increasing his own value. The third lesson that we can learn from Warren Buffett is the fact that you should be a learning machine. Now, Charlie Munger described Warren Buffett as a learning machine. He's always learning every single day. He's reading balance sheets and financial statements. Now, however, I'd like to add a caveat here. Sherlock Holmes has said that your mind is like a cupboard. You should not fill it with unnecessary information. You will run out of space. If you have to be a learning machine, then I would suggest a pyramid model, wherein the base will be broad and large and the tip will be sharp with knowledge and intelligence. Of course, there are other lessons that you can learn from Warren Buffett. However, I thought these were the most interesting. If you have any of your own lessons, please do drop them in the comment section down below. As always, please go over to YouTube, subscribe to the Vlog of Note channel, ring that notification bell so that you never miss a video, and I will see you guys in the next episode.